Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is the new album from Bear Mace, Slaves of the Wolf.
A band I've followed since their 2017 debut, Butchering the Colossus, mostly because of the hilarious violent moniker and their steamrolling Slayer cannibal style intensity. Chicago's five-headed beast, known as Bear Mace, has improved with every release. But Slaves of the Wolf is something special, a high watermark for riffs, tone, and the spellbinding guitar heroics of Mark Sugar and Tommy Bellino.
Produced by Buried at Sea frontman and underground sound wizard Sanford Parker, who's torched the boards for Brutal Truth, Wake, Bible of the Devil, and Lair of the Minotaur, the band's new school spin on old school death metal gets a serious glow up here. 8 tracks fly by in the 4 to 5 minute range, leaving no meat on the bone.
Lead-off single, The Iceman Cometh, proves these guys didn't just come back. They came back swinging a sledgehammer. The track dives into the infamous crimes of serial killer Richard Kolinsky, walking you through every disposal method while riffing like their lives depend on it. Hard pan guitars alternate left and right like dueling chainsaws, and Chris Scarcey's vocal menace is miles ahead of the early days. The solo channels peak Hanneman King. Think 1988 with better gear and worse intentions. Let's play a clip. This is The Iceman Cometh.
Drown Them kicks off with Gary Naples delivering a brutal double kick baptism, followed by more lyrical guitar phrasing that Sanford's production frames perfectly. But the peak may be Prophecy, a track that delays vocals for over a minute to let its riff bonanza breathe. John Pardo's bass glues it all down, while the leads dance in and out like twin flamethrowers. These solos have real narrative structures, beginning, middle, and end, which is rarer than you think in modern death metal. So yeah, get over to Bandcamp and taste the goddamn mace. The Iceman Cometh already has a video out, and the full album drops June 6th. Set your calendars or your trap lines. Real quick, while I was looking around for this review, I found that I have a copy of Butchering the Colossus. I never unwrapped it. So maybe we'll unwrap it on a future segment or Patreon or something. But I'm OG Bear Mace. Here's the proof. So anyway, let's close it out with a little bit more of The Iceman Cometh.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.